So for my everyday look, I went for a natural day look. First shade I'm going to use is Tandemonium from the Everyday Eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use that right below the brow bone. This will be my base blending color. And I just love how smooth the eyeshadows go onto your skin. It makes blending it so easy. So next, I'm going to add red bone a little bit below Tandemonium. And you can see how it just gives me a subtle color. So it looks very natural. Next, I'm going to add brown out to the outer crease, and I'm going to basically pack that in to the end of my eyelid into the base of my crease, just to give a little bit more dimension. So this is my finished look. Now my second look is going from day to night for a girls' night out. So I'm gonna add in Queen Sugar to add a little bit more drama to this look. Next, I'm going to pack First Date onto my lid. And you can see how vibrant this shows up on the skin. I love the shimmeriness of it and how bold the color is. So now I'm going to use a little bit of the First Date in my inner corner. And I love using a highlight on the inner corners just to open up your eyes.